Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated SUV releases 2026, the all-new Skoda Kodiaq. With bold styling, advanced tech, and upgraded performance, the Kodiaq is ready to redefine what we expect from a modern midsize SUV. As we move to the front, the 2026 Kodiaq makes a daring first impression. The updated front fascia is sharper, cleaner, and much more aggressive. The wide hexagonal grille is now flanked by slim, high-definition LED matrix headlights that cut through the night with precision. The sculpted hood features muscular character lines that hint at power and refinement. Lower down, you get sportier air intakes, a redesigned bumper, and a new lighting signature that elevates Skoda's identity to premium SUV levels. Swinging around to the rear, the Kodiaq maintains its bold stance with a more angular and athletic rear design. The taillights have been transformed into razor-sharp LED units that stretch into the bodywork, mimicking the new signature C light pattern seen on Skoda's latest models. A full-width black trim piece connects the lights, adding visual width. The new dual-tone diffuser and integrated exhaust-style trims round out a look that's both sporty and modern. And that olive metallic green color, absolutely striking. Step inside and you'll immediately notice that Skoda has taken things to a whole new level. The 2026 Kodiaq boasts a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials everywhere. Soft touch plastics, suede inserts, brushed aluminum trim, it's all here. The centerpiece is a massive 13-inch floating infotainment screen powered by the latest MID4 system, offering intuitive touch response, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and over-the-air updates. Behind the steering wheel, you get a fully digital 10.25-inch instrument cluster with customizable views. Under the hood, the 2026 Skoda Kodiaq offers a balanced mix of power and efficiency. Expect a variety of options, including a 1.5-liter TSI mild hybrid petrol engine, a 2.0-liter TDI diesel for long-distance drivers, and a top-tier plug-in hybrid variant offering up to 100 kilometers of pure electric range. The plug-in model makes a 1.5 TSI with an electric motor and a 25.7 kilowatt-hour battery pack, making it ideal for both city commutes and weekend escapes. The driving dynamics are refined with a focus on comfort and stability, supported by adaptive dampers and all-wheel drive on higher trims. While Skoda hasn't released official pricing just yet, industry analysts predict the 2026 Kodiaq will start at around €38,000 for the base model and climb to €55,000 for the plug-in hybrid top trim with all options included. This makes it a compelling alternative to more expensive German rivals without sacrificing tech, quality, or performance. Skoda's value for money formula continues to shine here. As for availability, the 2026 Skoda Kodiaq is expected to launch in Europe in the first quarter of 2026, with global markets following soon after. Pre-orders may begin as early as late 2025, and dealerships are already reporting strong early interest. If you're in the market for a practical, stylish, and electrified SUV, you might want to get in line.